In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Google Forms responses summary quick and easy. If you collect answers with Google Forms, there are times you need a clean summary you can hand out or share as a file. The good news is you don't have to export to a spreadsheet first. Google Forms includes a built-in print option that captures the response summary with charts and counts in just a few clicks. Start by opening your form in Google Forms from your Google Drive or Forms. Google.com, open the specific form whose results you want to print. Make sure you are in the editor view where you can change questions, not the public preview. At the top of the editor, you'll see two main tabs, Questions and Responses. Click the Responses tab. This switches you to the Results area. By default, you'll land on the Summary view, which compiles all responses into helpful graphs, percentages, and answer lists. This is the view we're going to print. Look toward the top right of the Responses tab. You'll see a green spreadsheet icon and right next to it, a three-dot More menu. The green icon creates a Google Sheets file, but we don't need that for printing. Click the three dots and choose Print All Responses. This opens your browser's print preview, using the summary content you were just viewing. In the print dialog, adjust any settings you need. Switch the layout between portrait and landscape to better fit wide charts. Choose color or black and white depending on your printer or style guide. You can fine-tune paper size, margins, and scale. If charts look cut off, try landscape or reduce the scale a bit so everything fits neatly on the page. Depending on your browser, you may also see options for headers and footers and background graphics. Turn headers and footers off if you don't want the web address and date printed at the top or bottom of the page. If your charts use colored areas, keeping background graphics on will preserve their look. Otherwise, switching to grayscale can save ink. You can also limit the page range if you need only part of the summary, such as the first pages for a meeting handout. When everything looks right, you have two options to send it to a physical printer. Select your printer and click Print. If you want a digital copy to share, change the destination to Save as PDF. Confirm the file name and location and then save. That's it. You've quickly produced a polished summary of your Google Forms responses without leaving the Forms editor. Thanks for watching.